Hi, this is Danilo Jokanovic from the Betsy Wong team at Remax Escarpment, and I want to welcome you to luxury living in one of the best neighborhoods in Kitchener. I'm here at 912 Forest Creek Court, and this is an amazing luxury detached home located on a quiet court location with pond views in the front and forest views in the back. This is a 3,600 square foot home with a giant unfinished walkout basement with so much potential. Let's take a look why this is the one you should not miss.